Good day, my dear students. I'm Teacher Butch, and welcome to our mathematics class. For today's lesson, I will be discussing on how to divide 3 to 4 digit numbers by 1 to 2 digit numbers without and with remainder.
But before that, here are the operations that we are going to use for today's lesson. First is the division, multiplication, and subtraction. There are also important things that we need to know about division. This is all about the parts of division sentence. Children, please remember all the parts, which are the dividend, divisor, remainder, and the quotient. I think your minds are set to learn and enjoy today. Let's begin. Alright, here is the first example on how to divide 2 to 3 digit numbers by 1 to 2 digit numbers without and with remainder. To solve the problem, we need to follow all the steps. Is it clear to you, children? Very good! First step, 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1 and write 1 in the thousand place of the quotient. Let's multiply. 1 times 7 is equal to 7, then 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Alright, step number 2. Bring down the hundreds digit in the dividend, which is 6. Division, 6 divided by 7. We cannot divide since 7 is bigger than 6. Write 0 in the hundreds place of the quotient. Multiplication, 0 times 7 is equal to 0. The next one is subtraction. 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. Bring down the tens digit in the dividend, which is 3. Division, 63 divided by 7 is equal to 9. Then write 9 in the tens place of the quotient. Multiplication, 9 times 7 is equal to 63. Subtraction, 63 minus 63 is equal to 0. Alright, step 3. Bring down the ones digit in the dividend, which is 7. Then 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. Write 1 in the ones place of the quotient. Let's multiply. 1 times 7 is equal to 7. And let's subtract. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. And the final answer is 1091. I have here the second example. Step 1. Division. 76 divided by 8 is equal to 9. Write 9 in the hundreds place of the quotient. Next is multiplication. 9 times 8 is equal to 72. And last, subtraction. 76 minus 72 is equal to 4. Now, let's move to step number 2. Bring down the tens digit in the dividend, which is 3. Division, 43 divided by 8 is equal to 5. Then write 5 in the tens place of the quotient. Next is multiplication. 5 times 8 is equal to 40. Then subtraction. 43 minus 40 is equal to 3. Here we are. Step number 3. Bring down the ones digit in the dividend, which is 7. Let's do the division. 37 divided by 8 is equal to 4. write 4 in the ones place of the quotient. Next is multiplication. 4 times 8 is equal to 32. Subtraction. 37 minus 32 is equal to 5. And 5 will be the remainder. And our final answer is 954 remainder 5. Alright, here we are. Step number 4. We need to check if we really got the correct answer. First thing we need to do is multiply 954 times 8. 954 times 8 is equal to 7,632. Where did we get 954? 954 is the quotient of our second example, and 8 is the divisor of our second example. First thing we need to do is to multiply. Then next, we need to add 7,632 plus 5. 7,632 plus 5 is equal to 7,637. So again, children, where did we get 5? 5 is the remainder of our quotient in example number 2. Next, make sure, children, that the sum of 7,632 and 5 is the same as the dividend of our example number 2. That's all. Alright, children, it's time for you to solve. I know you can do it. And please don't forget to read the direction. In a couple of minutes, please find the quotient. Alright, time is up. Alright, class, try to look at the solution. Pause for a while. What's the answer, children? The final answer is 121. You got it, children! Very good! Alright, let's try another example. Children, please don't forget to read first the direction. In 3, 2, 1, you may now start solving the quotient. Alright, time is up. Try to study this solution, class. Pause for a while. And the answer is 996, remainder 4. I hope everybody got the correct answer. That's all for the day. Thank you very much. And I hope you learned a lot today. Again, in dividing 3 to 4 digit numbers by 1 to 2 digit numbers without and with remainder, always follow the steps and don't forget the 3 operations. First, division. Next, multiplication. And the last one is subtraction. Before everything ends, this is Teacher Butch saying that never say I can't, always say I'll try.